Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to control your Samsung TV with your phone. So you still need a remote to set this up. Otherwise, you can use like a controller or a mouse or a physical button. You just need to press on your TV when you can see the pairing options. So now that we have our phone up, we want to swipe down, and we just want to make sure we're connected to the same wireless internet as we're using on our TV. So just go to internet and set this up. And then on your TV, you want to make sure you have your Samsung account on here. So you can see right here, my Samsung account is on my TV, and we're going to connect via this SmartThings application on our phone. So you can see SmartThings right here. I don't think I use it at all, but that's the app we're going to be looking for on our phone. And this will allow us to control our TV with our phone. So this is what it looks like. I don't know, it says devices and stuff under here. Looks like I got my living room TV. Press and hold to select the view options. So let's go on over to my phone now and go back over here, and we want to go to the Google Play Store. Open this up, then search for SmartThings. Look for this app, SmartThings. So here's the search down here, SmartThings. Open this up. So I already have this set up. The setup process is a little bit annoying, but eventually you'll be brought to this screen where you have to sign in with your account. And then you need to go on over to the devices and set up your device. So somewhere at the bottom, it's going to say it. So you got devices on the bottom. So you got home, we got devices, then go to the plus icon, and then just go to here, and we should be able to add a Samsung of device. Go on down to TV, and then add it. It should pop up under here if you have the Wi-Fi turned on. Mine's already added, so it's not going to pop up anymore. So we can go back, and then here's my TV. I'm just going to select it. And then I should have the remote pop up now. So we can add this to home screen, I guess. Let's add it to my home screen. But now I can move and navigate with this. And I have these different options on here. Can I switch to the different style remote? No. But yeah, just check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.